Hey, what's up you guys? Back again, here to do hot Cheeto review. It's the amazing bright red hot Cheetos that everyone wants, everyone loves. And I'm here to review them. They're so amazing, not sponsored. Yeah. Okay guys, I'm about to do my first taste test. This will be so good. I guess we just have to get right into it. Why are we waiting?
What's up?
Oh, hey guys.
Girl, we need to talk about what you're eating.
Why are we doing this now? During my video, like, you guys are looking at me all sorts of crazy, like I'm eating battery acid.
Yeah, because in a way you kind of are. You're eating Red-40 and the science behind it is not good.
Seriously, give us like 5 minutes. We were actually doing a whole presentation on this because we're worried about your gut health. Just watch this.
Alright, I'll hear you guys out.
Researchers have been using mice to see what happens when high levels of Red-40 are consumed, and the results are not a vibe. According to the NIH, they found that Red-40 is a catalyst for DNA damage and increased cancer risk, especially colon cancer. But here's the scary part, for us specifically. It's way worse when you combine it with a high-fat diet, which is basically the entire Western food aisle. And it's not just physical. There's a huge link to behavioral issues in kids who eat way too much Red-40. The NIH published a paper saying colorectal cancer is spiking in people under the age of 30. They're naming Red-40 as a major catalyst to blame for that. We are the target demographic for that damage. It's not just food coloring, it's a health hazard disguised as a snack.
Okay, wait, that sounds kind of intense. Is that like happening to real people? Cause like my skin's glowing, I feel okay. Like, is a medical emergency in like one bag of Cheetos? That doesn't make sense.
It's not about the fact that it's one bag. It's the fact that it's literally in everything. And the way it moves through your system is kind of gross.
Okay, let me actually explain what's going on mechanism-wise because it's actually discussing what's happening in your body right now. So, Red-40 contains specific chemical features that determine how it behaves in the body. It has an azo bond, which is a double nitrogen linkage, which is characteristic to many synthetic dyes, and sulfonate group, which makes it very highly water-soluble. And because of this structure, Red-40 is not a nutrient and does not serve any biological function. The body does not use it for energy, signaling, or receptor binding, as it does not interact with normal cellular receptors. So, the first step in this mechanism is ingestion. After consumption, Red-40 travels through the digestive tract largely unchanged. Due to its chemical properties, it has limited absorption, which means most of the dye remains in the gut lumen, while only a small fraction crosses the intestinal barrier into systematic circulation. And although it may seem harmless because much of it passes through the body, its persistence in the gut and the minimal metabolic breakdown are key aspects of how it exerts potential biological effects.
Exactly. This is going to lead to the process known as microbial reduction, and your gut bacteria is going to produce these things known as azo reductase enzymes. And basically what these enzymes are going to do when they see the azo bond on the Red-40 is they're going to start breaking it down. And when they break it down, they're going to produce these things known as aromatic amine metabolites. And these metabolites are what's going to be the real issue because they're going to start interacting with your proteins and your cell membranes, which is also going to mess up your local oxidative stress. And eventually your liver is going to have to like start cleaning this mess up and try to get rid of the metabolites. So basically the biological damage isn't being done by the dye itself, but from the bacterial metabolism that's going to be turning that dye into something toxic. So basically your own gut is accidentally sabotaging you because of what you're eating.
What kind of food is this? This is hot Cheetos filled with Red-40. It is not safe to eat. What kind of food is this? This is Kool-Aid, known for its Red-40. When administered to mice, they showed signs of colitis, not safe to eat. What kind of food is this? These are Skittles high in Red-40 and other food dyes. When combined with high sugar content, it can cause issues later in life. Not safe to eat. What kind of food is this? This is not food, this is a nutrition label. Use it to find Red-40 in everyday food you eat. Switch to natural food dyes that are not derived from petroleum.
So my gut bacteria is basically making poison because wanted my chips to be red?
Pretty much. It's a whole chemical chain reaction happening inside your body.
Yeah, consider me de-influenced. I didn't know it was that deep. I didn't know it was all that. I'm not gonna risk my liver over this really, really good snack. But yeah, thank you guys for telling me. Like, I didn't know.
Finally! Your gut health will thank you for this.
It's true.
Once you know what that azole bond is doing, you can't endure it.
Facts. I'm done. Let's go somewhere that literally isn't a biohazard. I'll pay. Let's just get rid of these snacks. Okay, good.